Building interactive learning content and have H5P packages to integrate. This is the standard for creating rich interactive web content used in education. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these interactive content package files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked, installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific H5P application fails. More details to follow. An open standard package for creating and sharing rich interactive web content, such as quizzes and presentations. Users, typically educators or web developers, search for this when they need to upload an e-learning module to a compatible learning management system, LMS, like Moodle or a website using a WordPress plugin. An H5P file is fundamentally a zip archive. It contains a manifest file, H5P JSON, JavaScript libraries, CSS style sheets, and multimedia assets. This self-contained, containerized design ensures that the interactive content is portable and can be easily deployed across any platform that supports the H5P standard. The H5P data container is optimally managed by H5P Editor developed by H5P Group. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows can display them in a browser, though some features require a live server. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your H5P file and choose Open With. Test with H5P Editor first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. If the H5P file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Your system failed to open the H5P file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, using H5P.com platform. Create a free account at H5P.com or use the H5P platform integrated with your organization's learning management system. Upload H5P files through the platform interface, and the content becomes immediately accessible for embedding in courses, websites, or sharing with learners. The platform handles all rendering requirements automatically. Next, LMS Integration. Most learning management systems, including Moodle, Canvas, Brightspace, D2L, and Blackboard, support H5P through native integration or plugins. Install the H5P plugin in your LMS and upload H5P files through the course content interface. The LMS handles content rendering with automatic progress tracking and great integration for educational deployments. Finally, self-hosted WordPress. Install the H5P plugin for WordPress to host interactive content on your own website. Activate the plugin and upload H5P files through the WordPress admin interface. The plugin provides shortcodes for embedding interactive content in posts and pages, enabling complete control over content hosting independent of third-party platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at FileMagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.